anniversary. 사랑해.
안녕하세요 오빠. 데뷔를 10살 생일을 축하합니다. 진짜 많이 사랑해요. To my charismatic Minho, thank you for always making me smile. 데뷔 14주년을 축하합니다. 많이 사랑해.
Go forth and conquer the whole world. Fighting. 사랑해 오빠.
고마웠어. 자네가 어딘가 애써줬어. 덜 외로웠어. 집사람 또한. 이민호 씨, 날 행복하세요.
NSA Opa. Congratulations on your 14th debut anniversary and a big thank you for entertaining us so much. Sarange.
Hello sir, I'm Saloni Bajaj from India. Congratulations on your 14th debut anniversary. It's your time to shine and you really deserve it. Love you so much.
Papa, thank you for shining in my life. Happy 14th debut anniversary. Stay blessed. Sarangyo.
오빠 namaste. Happy 14th debut anniversary. 사랑해 민호 씨.
축하합니다, 민원 씨. Congratulations on your well-deserved achievement. 사랑해. Love you, 민원 씨.
안녕하세요 오빠. Happy 14th debut anniversary. 사랑해.
Annyeong, wish you a very happy 14th debut anniversary. I just want to say that Uppa, we will be always there for you and we love you a lot. We will always root for you.
Oppa 안녕. Happy debut anniversary from Minos India. 사랑해.
My dearest Lee Minu, here is wishing you on your 14th debut anniversary. Just keep on progressing, just keep on entertaining with your new drama. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we will always love you.
안녕하세요 라미나 오빠. 데뷔 14주년을 축하합니다. 미노스 인디아.
Congratulations King on your 14th debut anniversary. All the best for your future projects Oppa. Fighting.
Hi, hello, namaste Oppa. Congratulations on your 14th debut anniversary. We will always support you. Sarange.
Hi LMH, congratulations on your 14th debut anniversary. All the best for all your upcoming dramas. Good luck from Minos India.
안녕하세요 민호 씨. Wish you a happy 14th debut anniversary. Apart from actor, no other than good person.
Happy debut anniversary Lee Min Ho. You are the greatest and the sweetest human being. I never been a better person I know. May God bless you with a wonderful time ahead. Love you.
Namaste Oppa. Wish you a very happy debut anniversary. Sarang.
Annyeong Oppa, a journey from here to here. You successfully managed to stole all of our hearts. Happy 14th debut commemoration. I hope you cherish many more to come. Sarangeyo.
안녕하세요. Happy 14th debut anniversary. Hope you will entertain more and more people in coming years. Fighting.
사랑해 리미노.
Happy 14th debut anniversary Minho. Wish you many more success. 사랑해요.
Congratulations on your 14th debut anniversary. Many more years to come. My best wishes to you. 사랑해 오빠.
Happy 14th anniversary Lee Min Ho. 사랑해요.
Hi Oppa. 안녕하세요. Happy anniversary for your 14th debut. 축하합니다 오빠. 사랑해요.
Congratulations on your 14th debut anniversary Lee Min Ho. Keep rocking and fighting in the future too. 사랑해요.
Happy debut anniversary, Imino. Hope to see you continue connecting with more fans through coming dramas in coming years. 영원히 사랑해 Imino Oppa from Minos India family.
안녕 남스 민호 씨. 내 이름은 프리యాం카입니다. 데뷔 14주년 축하해. And also heartily congratulations on current success of drama. Please be healthy, safe and happy. Sarange.
Oppa, wish you your debut anniversary. Best wishes for your new dramas. You are always in my heart with lots of love. Saragini.
Hi Minho. Wishing you a happy debut anniversary. Please visit India soon. Sarang.
안녕하세요 오빠. Congratulations on your 14th debut anniversary. All the best for your upcoming project. Always Lee Min Ho from Minos India. 사랑해.
Happy 14th anniversary of your debut Oppa. 많이 사랑해.
안녕 Oppa. Happy debut anniversary. I wish you all the happiness and success in the world. 사랑해.
안녕 리미노 씨. 데뷔 14주년을 축하합니다.
Keep smiling, keep shining, and keep entertaining us with your new dramas, movies, and songs in the future. Minos India에서 많이 사랑합니다. 축하합니다.
안녕 오빠. Wishing you a very best for all new ventures that life has in store for you, and congratulations on your 14th debut anniversary.
Hi Limino. We Minos India happy to celebrate your 14th debut anniversary. Congratulations! Fighting!
안녕하세요. 리민씨. I wish you a very happy 14th debut anniversary, and in the future too I wish to see more of your works. It's love you.
Namaste Mino. Congratulations on your 14th debut anniversary. I hope you always stay strong and mesmerize us with your charms. You are never alone. Fighting!
Happy anniversary Minho. This is Chaitrali here from Mumbai, India. I just want to say that please stay happy, stay blessed, and forget the rest. And hope to see you in India soon. Bye bye.
Oppa, 축하해 for your 14th debut anniversary, and really all the best for your ongoing drama and also for your upcoming projects. Lots of loves from India Minos. Bye bye.
Congratulations on your anniversary. I really enjoy watching your show. Stay strong and be healthy. Lots of love from Minos India.
Opanya, 14th debut anniversary 축하합니다. 너 정말 예쁘다니까 많이 사랑해.
안녕하세요 오빠. Happy 14th debut anniversary and I wish you all the happiness.
Limino Oppa. Congrats on your 14th debut anniversary. Wishing you many more years to come. 사랑해.
안녕하세요 오빠. Happy 14th debut anniversary. We are here to love and support you. Fighting. 사랑해.
안녕하세요 오빠. Happy 14th debut anniversary to you. 사랑해요. All loves you. Your smile makes my heart smile. Thank you so much.
안녕 오빠. Happy 14th debut anniversary. 너무 좋아해. 오빠 사랑해. 안녕하세요 오빠. Happy debut anniversary. 사랑해. Will always love you and support you. Love from Minos India.
Annyeong. Limino Oppa. Congratulations on your 14th debut anniversary. I hope you do very well and all the best for King, the Eternal Monarch. I'm loving it. Do well.
Namaste. Annyeong Mihoshi. Congratulations for your 14th debut anniversary. We are always going to be there for you. We will support you. We love you.
안녕하세요 오빠. Happy 14th debut anniversary. 사랑해요. Love from Minos India. I wish you all the success in your upcoming projects and we love you. 사랑해요.
리나 오빠 안녕. 당신 데뷔 14년 축하해요. 수고하세요. 그리고 건강히 지내세요. 파이팅. 사랑해 오빠.
안녕 오빠. A very happy 14th debut anniversary to you. 사랑해요. We love you. 너무 축하합니다.
안녕 리빈 오빠. Congratulations on your 14th debut anniversary. 사랑해.
Hi Oppa. Congratulations on your 14th debut anniversary and all the best for your new project.
Namaste Liminho.
Happy 14th debut anniversary.
Sarange.
God bless you Limino. Hi Limino. All the best for your 14th debut anniversary. Fighting!
Congratulations on your 14th debut anniversary. Please come to India. Please, we love you.
Happy 14th debut anniversary, Oppa. Love you.
When you say you had enough, I'm thinking about you always. I'm thinking about you always.
You are my angel, you are my angel always. 오빠 Minos India 사랑해 축하합니다.
My everything. You're my everything. Love for you. Congratulations on your 14th debut anniversary.
मैं तुझसे ही छुप छुप कर तेरी बातें करती हूँ, कौन तुझे यूँ प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करती हूँ।
잠깐만요. 하나, 둘, 셋. 오빠 안녕. Congratulations for 14th debut anniversary and I love you. 많이 많이 사랑해.
I love you. I love you too.
좋아요. 진짜 좋아요.